Hello friends, our today topic is similar motion. So similar motion is a motion where you see it will not be in one bar. For that you need two stave, two clefs you need, and you can see the tune will go parallel to each other. They will not going to meet each other ever. So they look like a parallel one. So that's called a similar motion. If you read it, music moves in a similar motion if two parts move in parallel or in the same direction. Keyboard player often plays scales in similar motion. Here is a C major scale in similar motion and octave apart. Now one more thing, this will be always one octave apart. Okay, and going with the same direction and same motion. So let's do the exercises straight away. Yeah, without wasting any time, this is a simple topic. We don't need to think a lot about it. So write two more repeats of these bars to make ostinati that moves in similar motion. So ostinati, we know it is the same way. We just repeat the same notes again. We don't have to change their up or down, go up or down with them. So let's make it. So quickly we're gonna start here. One note, this note here, and here. Let's quickly put this stem onto them. So this one is quiver. Okay, over here you can see the distance will be one octave. Yep. So this is similar motion because they're going parallel to each other. Next to the next one. So this is again, we're going to put a parallel here, then and crochet beat. Let's repeat it. Crochet here, then repeat. Let's put it here. Let's put a stem. So this is a very simple topic. There's nothing to think about too much complicated. It's just that we just have to repeat the say, make sure that they are one octave apart and they're going parallel to each other. When you play, actually when you do play some any instrument, then you get it easy. And if you're playing piano or keyboard, then it's easy to understand this topic. So anyways, for right now in theory, let's carry on. Okay, let's put this 10. Yeah, so here we finish about this topic. If you have any question in regards to this, please let me know. This is very simple topic. There's nothing to be worried about this topic. Okay, so now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.